Madam OMG!
Good morning, this is Madam OMG. What a rainy Tuesday morning. Since yesterday's morning, it's raining. So you can see the rain. It's amazing. So it's very, very cold now, but I'm wearing this. It's a cold weather. Can you imagine it's raining? Actually, when I'm taking a bath, I do it's raining. So it is my pleasure to go outside and take the rain for a change, whatever. Wish me luck, my friend. I'm still searching for job. Let's take the rain. Whatever I go reach there, that place or whatever. I hope it will stop so that we can go to the park. We will take the video in the rain. It doesn't rain here at all, but occasionally when the weather changes, it's hi, how are you? I'm good. Where are you going? Yeah, it's raining. The water. You see the water? This is from my building. Got to work, it's raining. I meet one guy from Russia, from India. It's nice we talk while we are waiting for the rain to stop, but unfortunately we will be late in his work, so we go when the rain is still here. So it's still raining and the flood is still going. Later, I don't think we can pass here. If the rain is continue after 1 hour, 2 hours, the UAE will flood. This is very common when it's raining and the birds go that direction. How they can manage to fly? The rain's it's raining. So in the Philippines, we sing this song, or even in another country, if you want, you have the appointment, so you will go somewhere. In the Philippines, we sing this song like this. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. One more. Rain, rain, go away, another day, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Okay, sing your own version. That's my version. Rain, rain, go away, another day, come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little Johnny wants to play. Like that. So sing your own version, my friends. Yeah, it's still raining and the flood is going now. No, it's not going. The flood is already in. So I put my jacket on. It's too much cold. Suya. Suya means little. 1 more hour raining, the flood will come. Before I experienced 2009 or 2010, the first time I encountered the flood is above the knee. That's the highest flood I have experienced here in UAE. It's the overpass. Chararan, chararan, charan. I want to take breakfast for a while. I'm hungry. Look at the water. I want to swim. The sun came now already. Oh, good. Other part of the sky is still dark. And part already come out. I'm in the Cornish now, enjoying the weather. Because I told you in my other video, I don't have work, so I'm flying now online at the same time, enjoying the day. That doesn't mean I'm not applying. Don't be judgmental. People are so mean when you're trying to enjoy at the same time you're applying. They think you're not applying at all. They judge you like he's enjoying or whatever. I came to this part, no? I came to these situations, people judging you, trying to tell you that it's more enjoying than applying. Who wants sample? Do you want? Wait. Someone's listening. Okay, stop the video because someone is passing me, especially local girls. They, even though you're not taking them video, they can have the right to complain or whatever. So my part is, sino bang ayaw na mawala ng trabaho? Sino bang ayaw maghanap ng trabaho? Kaya stop judging people. I hate it. This crowd mentality, especially Filipino. So if you watch again my video, please, any job available, you can email me or you can message me to the comment section. Just give the email address, then I'm gonna search the company, I'm gonna apply there. This is the way we apply here in UAE. Some company are hiring online now. This is the what you call this, in. You can apply. If they like it, I will call you. There's no problem. We'll receive a call for the interview, whatever. So the easiest way for you to get job is referrals, of course. They also honor the referral here. If someone refer you and they like your performance, they will hire you very, very fast. Call it urgent or whatever. So I'm still enjoying the view. See you later, alligator. We will eat now. My breakfast. This one is fresh food and still hot. Little bit spicy. This is the way you eat, use your hand. like this shirts too. This one is really small. This one hang. Còn chơi mấy cái tiền xỉu đấy thôi.